But the Bible says we shall praise patience as the fruit of the Spirit.
Yes. Amen.
Colossians 1, chapter 1, verse 11 tells us that we are strengthened by him to great endurance and patience. So James is saying that we are to let patience, not passion, be set in work for us. Because sometimes we want to get even with someone, who has done us something or said something. They said something about us that we didn't like. But whatever is said or done to us, let patience have the doing and saying of it.
Say that. Say that. Amen.
Let us not allow the indulging of our passion to hinder the operations and effects of patience.
All right. Say that.
Leave it alone. And it will work wonders in our time of trouble.
Say that. So well.
Does not matter if it's one trial or 10 trials. Continue to be patient until this work is perfected.
Say that.
Let's talk about blessed. James chapter 12 says, "Blessed is the man who endures temptation. For when he has been approved, he will receive the crown of life, which the Lord has promised to those that love him." Temptation is defined as a desire to do something, especially something wrong or unwise. No temptation has overtaken you that is not common to man. Most of our temptations aimed at where we are weakest. Our profound, pathological, fallen selfishness. In Matthew 4, the devil tried to tempt Jesus after he had fasted for 40 days and 40 nights. The devil said to Jesus, "If you are the Son of God, command these rocks to turn to bread." Jesus said, "Man does not live on bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God." So if you are tempted, let it be by God. For God cannot be tempted by you. You know, sometimes we as men find it hard to have patience, and that lack of patience can keep us from coming home to God.
Yeah.
But our God designed us, and he built us for that. And we as strong men have to fight to become who God made us to be. So don't just fight like a man. Fight like a man of God. Steadfast in his word. Have faith. Endure temptation. For God promised that if we do, we will receive the crown of life. I don't know about y'all, Abe, but I want God to keep feeding me his word.
Amen. Amen.
So that I may get to the kingdom. I want to be a kingdom man. As a matter of fact, every Christian man's destiny should be to become a kingdom man.
All right.
Don't you know every Christian woman's dream is to have one?
Yes. Amen. Yes.
So as I close, I want you to keep this in mind. If we Christian men stand steadfast in his word, God will bless us.
Yes, he will.
And if we don't give up when our faith is being tested,
Don't give up. That's it.
he will reward us with a glorious life,
Amen.
just as he rewards everyone who loves him. Thank you. Oh, Savior, and well, but thanks has told us what it takes to be a godly man. Now the doors to the Ancient Baptist Church are open. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. Whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. And today can be your day. For God stands at the altar, and his hands are open. And we are here to welcome you. Don't worry about being perfect because we're not perfect. And Brother Frank said, we're a work in progress. But if you don't know Jesus in the pardon of your sins, this is your opportunity today to be the best day of your life. Will there be one amongst us today? Just step forward. Determine that your heart is not the sound of my voice, but it is the Lord. And he stands, and he opens his arms, and he opens his heart. All you have to do is take the walk. Will there be one today? Okay.